aquatic predators near the shore to worry about, but channel swimmers are concerned about another danger.
The cookie-cutter shark doesn't try to kill its prey, but instead it attaches itself using its suctorial lips, and then spins to cut out a cookie-shaped plug of flesh from the larger animal. Its lower row of teeth are fused at the base and are proportionately the largest teeth of any shark species. The cookie-cutter shark is also known to eat small prey whole. This small species of shark measures about 40 centimeters or 16 inches. The body shape, the brown skin color, and the dark collar around its throat have given rise to its other common name, cigar shark. Complex, light-producing organs called photophores densely cover the entire underside, with the exception of the collar, and produce a vivid green glow. It's believed that this may function as counter-illumination, a disruption of its silhouette from below by matching the downwelling light. This may confuse both predator and prey. Due to its oceanic habitat, humans rarely encounter this shark species. However, there are a handful of documented attacks.